If you need to learn how to talk to a lady, ask your mum. Ask your mum.
So the first product which I'd like to talk about is this Claire Supple Preparation Toner. This is a really nice, mild and gentle toner. So it's really good for dry skin types, and it's really amazing to improve the texture of your skin. And it's a really watery sort of a texture, and whenever I use this toner, my skin felt really nice and it did not strip my skin. That is a really good thing, and the toner is really absolutely gentle, so this is a really good product for sensitive skin types as well. So now moving on to the second product, I have this Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum. This particular serum has a really nice amount of niacinamide, and it is really good for fading your acne scars. So what this serum does is that it helps in the production of oil. So basically it hinders the oil production, and then it also improves the texture of your skin, and it's really good to fade away acne scars and marks. So I would recommend this serum for whoever is looking to reduce the texture or uneven sort of skin tone, and also this is really good to keep your skin nice and supple. So you can try this product. So the other bunch of products are from the brand Laneige, and this particular brand is a Korean skincare brand, and they are really good with their sleeping mask, and they are really famous for their lip sleeping masks as well. So I finished one small tub of the lip sleeping mask. This is a really good product if you have dry lips like me, and I've repurchased this product. It's really amazing, and a little goes a long way with this product. So the second product from them which I purchased was the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This is a smaller tub actually, and this came in like a set, basically the lip and the water sleeping mask. So basically this I was not really happy with. I did not see much greater results with this. It just gave me like an instant boost of hydration. So you can actually skip this one. You can go for affordable options as well. Neutrogena does some really affordable water-based moisturizers. Even Pond's does some really nice ones. So you can check those out instead of this. And the third Laneige product which I finished was the Cica Sleeping Mask. This is like a really nice moisturizing sort of a mask, and mostly this was like a cream. The smell was really mild, and this was really good when my skin felt irritated. And if you like some really nice and luxurious sort of creams, then you can try this. And you can use this in the daytime as well if you have dry skin. So the next product is from the brand Innisfree. This is their green tea mist. I have a little bit left. So you can see that this is a really nice fine mist. So whenever I use this, my skin feels really good, fresh and hydrated. This is really good for someone who lives in like extreme summers. This is a must-have product for them. And the bottle is for 450. It does last for a long time. So you can actually try this product and invest in this one. I feel that it would really make a nice refreshing sort of a mist. So whenever you have like a really long tiring day and you want to refresh your face in like a jiffy, just take some and just spray it on your face, and you can just blot away the excess, and it will just give your face a really nice and hydrated look. The other product is this skincare product from Dr. Shades. Is their basic daily brightening cleanser. and I was expecting this product to actually work for me, but it was very basic and it did not give my skin some great anti-acne sort of results. But if you are sensitive and acne prone skin, then you wouldn't enjoy. But if you have sensitive and dry sort of a skin, dry to normal sort of skin, then you would really like this product. And this is like a very basic cleaning sort of a cleanser, and it was a little bit expensive, so if you want you can try. So next product is this Olay Natural White Cream. This is a day SPF day cream, and this was really good for a day-to-day wear, and the texture of this cream was on the thicker side, so I will recommend this to dry skin type only. And oily skin people must stay away from this product because this was actually thick in texture, and this is really good below makeup as well, because it gives your skin a really nice nourished sort of a look. And this cream was on the inexpensive side, and it's actually value for money, so this stuff actually lasts for a long time, so you must definitely check out. So these were all my MT products. These were the products which I liked and tried, and if you'd like to see more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and I'll be back with a really fun and interesting video for you guys soon. Take care, bye.